According to the hygiene hypothesis, exposure to germs is necessary to train and strengthen our immune system, right? This notion is widespread, both on social media and in books written by microbiologists and doctors, but it has largely been debunked. This article goes into depth on the topic. Some of the key takeaways are that dirt is contaminated by harmful heavy metals and other toxic pollutants. Dirt has pathogens that are only harmful. The known beneficial microbes are the host-native ones that are passed down generationally via vaginal birth and breastfeeding. Microbes that you pick up from the environment are not the same and are more likely to be harmful. Antibiotics are one of the primary things you want to avoid if you're worried about your microbiome. Eating dirt and practicing poor sanitation increases your odds of contracting an infection and needing antibiotics. On the wiki page, you can review a number of other scientific papers refuting the hygiene hypothesis. The more accurate alternative hypothesis is missing microbes, which confirms that we need exposure to beneficial microbes, and we've been losing the essential host-native microbes that have been evolving alongside us for millions of years. If you have information to share or questions to ask, feel free to join us on the Microbiome Forum. YouTube comments may be locked or restricted because YouTube randomly removes comments, which makes it impossible to have normal discussions on YouTube now. Our forum and wiki are focused on quality, science, and evidence-based information. Most large social media sites are flooded with misinformation and disinformation, so you have to look for specific sources that are well-informed, evidence-based, and trustworthy.